Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about one of the most influential figures in the field of total quality management, William Edwards Deming. William Edwards Deming was an American statistician, professor, author, lecturer, and consultant who is best known for his work in Japan after World War II. He is often credited with helping to turn around the Japanese economy and transforming their manufacturing processes. Deming's ideas and contribution include his 14 points for management, which outline a philosophy of quality management. These points emphasize the importance of continuous improvement, teamwork, and a focus on customer satisfaction. Deming also developed the Plan Do Study Act cycle, which is a method for problem solving and decision making that is still widely used in quality management today. Deming's work has a profound impact on modern TQM practices. His emphasis on the importance of quality and continuous improvement has, a big, has become a cornerstone of many successful organizations. By following his principle, companies have been able to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and deliver better products and service to their customers.